how are you? I'm good. So today I'm going to teach you like how to clean your bathroom. Maybe you're alone in your house and you don't know how to do that. So without further delay, let's go and do it. How about that? So no fear when sis is here. Let's go. Okay, so for the first thing that we need is like I'll tell you how to clean this sink, and there are like few things that you need. No fancy stuff because I wanted to make it really simple for you, my sisters. So sis, you just have to take the detergent. That is like I put it in a bowl. You can also put that and a sponge. So without further delay, let's do it. I just opened the tap and I put this stuff on the shelf above. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit of detergent. Oh, I forgot, I have to wear the gloves. Wait, I get my gloves. Okay, now I'm ready. I'm wearing my glove. You can buy it from any Walmart or any convenience store. And just I'm gonna put a little bit of sprinkle on this sink. Okay, this is that simple. I just put it over there, and now I'm gonna open the tap and just wet a little bit of this. Okay, it's done. So now I'm going to scrub it like in a circle motion. You can see sis, look, sis, it's very simple. You just have to make sure that you clean all this stuff. Nice. Okay, look at this. If you think it's a little bit like dry, you can open the tap, just put it on the and just scrub. I'm gonna do it here, and now I'm gonna scrubby here. Now this one. This you can see at the back is the silicone thing that get like with time it gets dirty a little bit. I will tell in my next video like how you can remove that, but you can do it with the vinegar, and you can put the cloth on like this part, and then you can leave it overnight, so it can be done. So this is also very simple. Just make sure you do it in this hole. Just scrub. As you can see, I'm scrubbing. I'm holding the camera from one hand, so that's why it's a little bit difficult. Okay, sis, it's done. So sis, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Good job. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the tap and we're gonna clean it. You can use your hand. This way it's very easy to do. As you can see, this is very easy, and it's very like healthy also, because mostly I see people using the towel, like the multi-purpose cleaner towel, but I don't recommend that because I want it to be really clean, and the cloth got a lot of germs on it already, so I just don't want that. So you can put the, look, getting clean so fast because it's very simple. And it doesn't like clog any dirt. Look, you can see it's getting clean. Okay, I put my sponge here. Okay, can you see that? Look at this. Just put the water. Okay, just put the water here. Yeah, like this. And just put it with the hand. It just takes 2 minutes to do that. Very simple. So sis, you don't have to do that very like with a sponge or anything. Just with your bare hands. If you're wearing a glove, it's okay. If you're not, that's perfectly fine, as long as you are okay. Okay, with that said, okay, as you can see, it's done and it's sparkly. As you can see, all the dirt and everything is done, and it's very neat and clean. Now I'm going to tell you how to do the mirror. So let's do it. Okay, as you can see, this got some of the stains here. So I'm just gonna do a simple thing, not to complicate it too much. I just put little bit of water on it like this, and then I'm gonna take a newspaper and just clean it. This is the best way to clean. As you can see it here, look, it's getting clean. Whoa, this is very clean now. So sis, did you understand? You just have to take the newspaper and just rub it like this. Look at this, it's dry. It's dry and very clean. As you can see. Yeah. Clean as new. Now let's move on to the toilet bowl, and this one I just gonna put the liquid inside here, and make sure you just put it on the upper sides like this. Yeah, so it's done. So I'm gonna leave that until I clean my other stuff. So I'm gonna close that. Yes, and now I'm gonna do the upper part. So the same thing, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the detergent, and sis, I'm just gonna pour it on top of it. And as I have my handy dandy sponge, I'm gonna sponge. You can see it's very quick, very fast, and it's like the cleanest thing you can do. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid and we're gonna scrub it here. As you can see, and then we're gonna do it on the rim also. Let's move to this, and then I'm gonna do on the upside also. Done. Just make sure that you clean it from here also, here and here, and you're done. The like bleach and my detergent mix together so that it stays clean. So now what you're gonna do is just clean on the sides first, as you can see, and then just do it like this. You just have to push. You can see it's very clean. And after that, you just have to flush it. So I'm gonna put my brush back here and then flush it. So the old dirty stuff go away, and you can see nice and clean bowl. So what about this part? I'm gonna clean it with a newspaper. So just take your newspaper and just clean it, because we already put a lot of this thing, so it's already clean and dry. So we're gonna do the rim now. Hey sis, did you understand how I did that? Okay, very clean. Now I'm gonna do the top seat, and it's done. Whew, that was a lot, sis, right? But you watched it and you learned it. I'm so proud of you, sis. Best of luck, and do let me know in the comments like how was your bathroom when you cleaned it and what did you use. So without further delay, please do subscribe to my channel, sis, and let me know what other videos you want to watch. I'm so sweaty inside the bathroom now, so I'm gonna go out and make some more videos for you. How about that, sis? So don't worry, your sister is here. I'll see you in the next video.